Hello everyone, welcome to the guide to set up all the overlay files and OBS for our Texetu streaming. For this you'll need two softwares, Streamlabs OBS and OBS. The links for them will be provided to you, and I'll just go towards the setup without any delay. So when you start up Streamlabs OBS for the first time, it shows up like this. There's nothing in here. So go to this gear icon here. It's the settings, and then go to the scene collections, and then go to import overlay file. Click on that, and then we have given you the overlay file for our Texetu. So download that and then select that overlay file and open it. Go to the location where you had downloaded and just open it. It will take some time, don't worry. So this is the screen that you will be seeing. In the live scene, just delete everything. Just press shift and click and delete everything. We don't need anything right here. Drag this live scene to downwards, and then in the starting scene, let's go to the starting scene. So we have given you a logo and also a font file. So install the font file in your computer, and then click on the sources here, the plus one, and then add a text GDI plus, add the source, and then press on this add new source instead and add source. Now here select the font that we had given to you. It has it's named Gloss and Bloom, so search it up, and yeah, the Gloss and Bloom, search it up, and then it's a regular font size, it's all okay. In the text you write Texetu monthly meetup, and then press done. So you get this little text over here. So drag it, resize it, maybe just increase the font size by a little bit. Font size, increase it, done, and then adjust the size, and then place it just above this starting like this, a bit up, like position it like this, just above the stream is starting, and then click on the plus again and add a image source, and uh, put it the logo that we have provided. Just select that and you get this logo file in here. Adjust it right here in the corner like this, and we are good to go. Now select these image and text, and then click on copy, and then go to the pod tool, and then paste them here, and they will be in the same position. Go to the end scene, go to the end scene, and again paste them there. They will be in the same position. This is all you have to do in Streamlabs OBS. Now go to OBS, and then go to scene collection and click on import. After clicking on import, click on click on import. Yeah, okay. So you have to click on import, and then you see some options in here. I have a lot of options because I had already done like a lot of setups from my thing, so don't worry. You will see the same name of this one. You can see here brush overlay text setu. Search that one up in here. It should be here. Yeah, you see this brush overlay text setu, the same name. You'll see this name. There may be only one name in yours, so don't worry. Just tick mark there and click on import and then close it. So you will see like nothing will be here, so don't worry. Click on scene collection and then click on the text setu overlay that you had imported. Like just click on that one and it will be all imported. So as I'm recording right now, I can't import it, otherwise it will just mess up with my recording. So you can do that. Now let's go to the settings part. These are the settings that you need to manage for the OBS to stream smoothly on your device. Uh, I strongly recommend that you should have at least 2 GB VRAM on your CPU. And if it's of NVIDIA, then it's great. AMD also works well. Now let's in the general one, there's nothing much to do. In the stream also, you have to click on the YouTube RTMPS, and then here's a stream key. This key will be provided to you when the stream will be starting, just before that. So you have to paste a new key every time when you stream, and that will be provided to you, so don't forget this one. Everything should be like this. The settings are these. In the output, by default it will this output mode will be in simple. So click on here and put it to advanced, and then in the streaming, uh, here is the encoder. So from here you select the drop down and select this NVIDIA NVENC H.264 new. Select that one. If you don't have that one, then maybe you do not have NVIDIA graphics card, or you do not have a dedicated graphics card. So don't worry, just put it on X264 or something. Then there's the software encoding option, so you can just click it on there. And then in the rate control, it's CBR. Put the bitrate to 4000 kbps, and then keyframe interval to 2. Preset should be performance, and then profile should be high, and max B frame should be 2. And that's all the settings you need for the output one. In the audio, in the desktop audio, you put it to default, and in mic you put your microphone. You can select which audio to put, but that's not really important for us right now. So the most important thing is here our video. So in our video, the base canvas resolution is 1920 by 1080, and output scale should also be the same. Put the downscale filter to this one, sharpen scaling 36 sampled one, and the FPS should be 60. And just put all these settings on and click on apply, and then press OK. And that's all that you needed to do to set up OBS for streaming. Now after this, you can just uninstall your Streamlabs OBS, and or just keep it's just your choice. We will be using OBS for this one. If you have any doubts, please message to our platform team, and we'll be helping you out. uh, that's it. Thank you very much.